Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
All right, here's the latest developments. We've got a lot going on across parts of the Central Valley. That includes Corvallis, Albany, Tangent, Philomath, and certainly Sweet Home, and just about everybody that you can see swirling around here in through some of this heavy rainfall. We're talking about rain and showers and thunderstorms continuing to train or sort of hit the same areas as they've been hitting for the past hour or so. So watch this line head north and then sort of backdoor its way back down. That includes everybody across the Corvallis and Philomath and certainly Albany area as well. South of that, moving towards Brownsville, Sweet Home, and then again right outside of Eugene, around Junction City, we're starting to pick up some showers again. So we're not done just yet. Now, the good news is that this is all just rain. I'm not expecting a lot of severe weather potential with this is. The not so good news is a lot of these locations here have already picked up at least an inch or more of rain, and that's mainly been in the last 3 to 4 hours. It will likely pick up some additional rainfall, and that means we could be dealing with some flooding issues for the night tonight. Now, further north of that, some severe weather moving across the border up towards St. Helens. We've also got some stronger showers and thunderstorms back off towards the Dalles. Severe thunderstorm watches have been posted. We've got flood advisories. That's the shading you see underneath the radar track there on the storm tracker. That it goes all the way from Portland southward down across parts of the Central Valley. There is that flood advisory. All of the shading that you see north of that, the orange shading, is severe thunderstorm watches and warnings. And I'll actually show you a couple of these real quick here. So there is our flood advisory. That expires at 7:45. It would not be shocked to see, especially for Benton and Lynn County, that they'll extend that past 7:45 tonight. Meanwhile, out towards Bend and Redmond, we've got severe thunderstorm watches out. South of the Dalles, we've got a severe thunderstorm warning, and you can see that expires in just a couple of minutes. And we've got lots and lots of activity going on here. This is all courtesy of this big upper level low that's now moved inland, but it's still pulling some moisture in off of the ocean. And so it's going to continue to push that across the Cascades. That keeps everybody in the western end of the state here under potential for heavy rain. Most of the severe weather is going to start shifting north up into eastern and central Washington. But look at how some of these rainfall totals, pretty impressive. Sweet Home at about 1.5 inches, 2.5 inches towards Turner. Santiam Pass got 1.5 inches as well. And up towards Salem, they're adding to that inch and a half that they've gotten. They'll likely get well over 2 as we head over tonight. Down towards Roseburg, as we expected, really didn't see a whole lot from that. Out to the coast, we'll continue to pick up some rainfall towards Newport, as I'm going to go isolated showers for the rest of the night. And this will be after midnight, so the heavier rain is going to stick around for parts of the late afternoon and early evening here. Now, the good news is all of this shifts out of the forecast pretty quickly by Friday afternoon. High pressure quickly builds back in, and that'll put us under a nice, warm, sunny forecast for the weekend. And it looks like that high pressure is going to stick around, at least that ridge anyway, and keep us warm and sunny for most of next week. So summertime not done just yet in the northwest, but it's not going to be here for the next 5 to 6 hours, that's for sure. So an isolated shower and some drizzle in the morning. We'll get back to mostly sunny skies by the afternoon along the coast. And look at that, a great looking forecast for the weekend. As highs will get back up close to 70 degrees by Sunday. Morning fog, afternoon sun in the Umpqua. Back into the upper 70s tomorrow, and then quickly bouncing to the upper 80s and low 90s by early next week. Cascades, an early thunderstorm, probably pre-dawn. I think we should clear out pretty quickly by tomorrow afternoon. Bend and Redmond should be done with the severe weather quickly after this afternoon, and then it's back to sunny and warmer as we head into next week. And finally in the valley, morning fog and some afternoon sun. Temperatures back into the mid-70s and then quickly bouncing back to the low to mid-80s. And plenty of sunshine, guys, as we head to the weekend. But woo, what an afternoon here.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah, I know. You are so excited.
I really am.
All right. Thanks, Justin.
You bet.